How to fix Netflix account is on hold. So if you want to fix Netflix account is on hold, then the first thing you need to do is you need to open up your Netflix account or Netflix application. And once you open your Netflix, make sure to sign into your account. And the first thing you need to do is you need to check if your payment method has been expired or if it's invalid. So if your monthly charge was not authorized by your banking institution, it only means that most of the cases has the reason why a Netflix account is on hold. It's because of the issues. Once you've logged into your Netflix, you will be prompted to restart your membership if your account is inactive. Or let's just say your account is on hold, or your subscription will be restored on the new billing date. So if you would like to use a different payment method, then please go to your payment settings so you can cancel your membership. So try to subscribe it again, and it's up to you if you want to upgrade your plan into the premium or not. But in this way, if you cancel your membership and subscribe again and pay again, then this could be a big help fix the Netflix account on home. So to keep it simple, when you pay the bill and become current, your Netflix account will reactivate if it was put on hold, and your billing payment will then move to the day you resume service and after paying the bill. So that's it. That's how you can fix your Netflix account is on hold. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.